think this place is giving out candy?
People are rabid R.L. Stine fans, and this is a great movie because it empowers the kids.
You know, I grew up with the books. I was always too scared to read them. I think I read one, and I slept in my mom's room for like a year, and she was like, no, you're not reading any more of those.
It's a lot of pressure. It's a lot of pressure. R.L. Stine is a legend, of course.
Did you miss me?
Slappy's laugh is terrifying.
I'm a crazy Halloween person, and I love to decorate, and I'm like Ken Jeong's character in this film, where I really go all out.
I just love how crazy he is, but how truly well-intentioned he is, which is really a cool thing for me as an actor.
Kathy, hey kids.
This is fun for the whole family. Being a father of two 11-year-old daughters who love Halloween, that's their favorite holiday, like, it's the best thing as a dad and as an actor where I can take my wife and kids. We've made a whole day out of it. So again, like, I'm at a point in my career where I'm happier for my kids getting to enjoy this than I am for even for myself.
You discovered a walking, talking dummy and you didn't tell me?